What's up, YouTube? And today, we're here to show how to turn off an iPhone SE. Alright, this is the classic, not the classic before the classic, but the classic second SE. It came out in 2021, maybe, I believe. If I'm wrong, correct me in the comments. So you want to simply just push your home screen. Now this, if you notice, got the classic home screen button that they took off a few years ago, and it's no longer on the newer versions of the updated iPhones. But again, for this iPhone SE specifically, what you want to do is, you see the buttons, same as the regular pattern, volume on the side, power on this side. You know, the old SE, the power button used to be up top, if y'all remember. One camera, so it's not a double wide like the new ones. So what you want to do is hold the side for a few seconds. Now you could continue to hold the side, and the power's fully off, it'll just shut down after you hold it after a good amount of time. Or you could just press the button, wait a few seconds, then slide the hit. Or if you do this, power back and butt. Once you fully get it to there, you move back, it's not gonna go. But if you slide it and put your finger off, and that's how you turn off the iPhone SE. And if you want to power it on, well, stay tuned for the next one.